Hello and welcome to a new video. You are looking for opportunities to be able to earn real money constantly and get a very good income from anywhere in the world. So stay, because this video is for you, since I am going to bring you real opportunities with which you could be earning money online in a fairly simple way, but it is not a miraculous method or an automated method, since you will have to put in some effort. Like any traditional job, but with the advantage that you can do it from anywhere in the world on this occasion. I'm going to bring you 3 pages. In fact, the last one is the one I like the most, with which you can start earning some good dollars in a fairly simple way. The first would be Sprugets. Here you are going to make the world your workplace, and from wherever you want, you can start working. In fact, there are a lot of categories available, for example, digital marketing, writing, graphic design, presentations, photo and video, mobile application design, web developments, and much more. The truth is that it is a very good way that you will be able to generate. In addition to conforming as you advance, you will be able to have more opportunities to earn more money. In fact, here you can see, for example, the profiles, and obviously the more you advance, the more opportunities will open up, and in fact it becomes like a virtuous circle. The more you earn, the more opportunities, the more opportunities, the more you earn. And more jobs. You will see here a little more information, but well, the truth is that this page is quite good. Registering is quite simple. For this, we click here on sign up, and as you can see, the simplest registrations with your real name, your email address, here a password, confirm your password, username, select the country of residence, and register. Now once registered, you would simply touch login. Now once registered, then simply confirm your email account. To access the panel, we will receive the email like this. We click on it, and that's it. Now to log in, we click here on remember me so that it doesn't close your session, and we click on login. As you see here, we are going to give which to the workers part. Here are the different opportunities that, in fact, for example, if you are a person who is selling your services, you can do it here and you can earn some good dollars. For example, here they would create any book for you in an economical way, easily and quickly. And look, here it appears, for example, what is going to be done. Or for example, we have voiceover backlinks jobs. It is super good. The truth is that it is quite economical to write articles, and here we have more pretty good opportunities. But hey, this is for the part of people who want to hire open. We are going to click here on micro jobs, and in find jobs, as you see here, all the opportunities that we have available here appear. For example, we only have the starter option enabled, obviously, because it is a completely new profile, but once you advance, obviously you will be advanced. And then expert, you can select the category where you want to work. We also have subcategories here. You can choose the price range. For example, we have from 0.020 cents of a dollar, but you can put it, for example, at 0.90 or flatly the dollar. I recommend that you leave it like this, because then there are super fast opportunities with the which ones you can earn. You select your location, and for example, here you can select the type of job. Now here are the different opportunities that we have. The truth is that there are some pretty good ones that can pay a few good dollars. They are arranged by price. Now first they are going to the highlighted ones will appear after the most average jobs. Here are arranged quite randomly. As you can see, there are about 50, 0.50030, and so there are several opportunities now to apply for one of those jobs. The only thing you have to do is click here and you will respond. You only have to ask this series of questions once. You'll hit save, and that's it. You'll see what the job is really about. It's a fairly simple way to start collecting now. The minimum withdrawal amount is just $5, which you can withdraw here through wallet. You click here in request, and your money will be withdrawn to your PayPal account. Users who have just registered have to wait 7 working days or 7 business days to be able to make their first withdrawal after that. Don't worry, it's practically the same day, but hey, this is the first of the opportunities. The second is about micro workers, and here there are also a lot of different opportunities for different types of work. As you can see, we have all of these available. The truth is that they are a lot, and it would take me a long time to mention each one, but the important thing is here in register to be able to register quite easily once registered, because obviously it will touch login. Here we click on login and we will register. Today we will log in, and now once inside here the different opportunities appear, our balance appears. Obviously we are practically at 0, and all the information, as you see here, you can select the different offers that we have. You can also accommodate them for the ones that are paying the most. Click here on Moss page, and as you can see, we have from $2. You simply have to download an application, install it, register, and upload your video here to the same platform. As you can see, this has been completed by 9 people out of 30. Then we go down to 1 and 50. Keep in mind that those are dollars. This one is almost going to be full, and it will be all you have to do is download an application, give it a rating and the screenshot, and well, here we have other opportunities we can go down, and as you see, we have 16 pages of different jobs, so each one is an opportunity. The truth is that it is quite simple. Start, as you see, we click here, we are simply going to send the PIN that we received to our telephone number and ready to start earning our good dollars. Obviously, there are a lot of different opportunities. Each of them is going to be giving you good benefits, and in fact, there are quite simple tasks. It is really a very simple method. And we also have offers from CPX Search that would be, for example, surveys that would pay us up to $2 and $10. Although I know that here they come more for real work than basically doing a fairly simple job. Simple and start earning for it. It is a very good way here. The minimum withdrawal amount is also quite low. We click here on withdraw, we will select our withdrawal, and here we will select how much we want to withdraw. For PayPal, we only need $5 for onto $9 for a deposit, banking $10, right? $5, Pioneer $20, and Airtum $5. So if there are several opportunities with which you can get paid in a fairly simple way, and well, the last one is about Hype Micro. This without a doubt is my favorite since it provides the best opportunities in addition to the fact that it has its own app for Android and iOS. And well, how does it work? You register, you apply for the job, you complete the task, and you get your payment. The payment is made weekly via PayPal or by Bitcoin, because many times in different countries, PayPal is not enabled, so you can withdraw through Bitcoin. Here a little more information: how many users are available, how much have they paid, and some testimonials. As you see, we have people from Mexico, from India, we have from different Latin American countries, for example from Venezuela. And while registering is quite simply, we click here, or in case of login, well, maybe here we are going to select that we are not a robot. We say that we are over 18 years old, and we will log in. We accept terms and conditions, and here the different offers will appear. For example, up to $30 for a single task. We have this one for $9.30, $2.80 Here there are fewer opportunities. In fact, there are also some on the cell phone, but the truth is that here they pay much more. As you see, you can get there during $30 in a single day, and the only thing you have to do is transcribe information from a displayed image. So yes, you can start earning some very good commissions, but well, how much you earn depends on you. They are real opportunities that work in practically everyone world. Without a doubt, it is a very good way to earn income even as a teenager. But hey, tell me what you think of these new methods. Leave me your comments in the description to know what you think. Until next time,